Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chris Ekom. I just want to quickly show you guys how to navigate Binance. Binance is an altcoin exchange where you trade different cryptocurrency. Okay, so I've already logged in. All you need to do is just for you to click on the link on the description tab. Then you sign up for you to have an account with Binance if you don't have any yet. I'm logged in already. All you need to do is that there is no the truth is that exchange is very easy to use. So there is basic and advanced. So basic is like kind of an elementary stage, and me self person I don't really use advanced. Advanced is just whereby you have like fancy charts and the rest. I mean I don't really see it any. It's not very important anyway. But let's just check it out. So there is nothing really special about advanced other than the fact that it has fancy chart and the rest. So we are on Tron stroke Ethereum pair. So basically this green, or this, let's say this pink, these are guys that are selling. So these are guys that wants to buy, and let's say their proposed price is being listed here. So anyway, but let's go to the basic. So if you want to use basic, you just click on basic. Mhm. So this is basic. So for basic, so this pink here is basically guys that are selling, and this ones are guys that wants to buy into this particular coin using using Ethereum. So if you want to buy, all you need to do is that currently I don't really have Ethereum on this account. So if you want to buy, all you need to do is just for you to look at these prices. The prices are increasing upward, while this one here the prices are decreasing downwards. That is, guys, the highest bidder price will appear here. So this one the price is decreasing, and this one the prices are increasing upward. So the smallest price that this coin is going now is 5,620 Satoshi. So if you are comfortable with that price, if you are comfortable with this price, just click on this price, on the price, or any of these prices that are comfortable. Of course, you want to buy it at the smallest price. At the same time, you don't want to waste time. It all depends. You want to bid, and you are not in a hurry. But if you're in a hurry, you can just buy at the current market price. All you need to do is just for you to click on this first price. Then once you have done that, you can just come here and type in the quantity of, let's say the amount of Ethereum you wish to spend on this particular coin. You type the amount, and once you type the amount, automatically the system will give you the amount of Tron you are supposed to get at the particular Ethereum price that you wish to spend. Let's say Ethereum that you wish to spend. Once you are sure everything is okay, just hit buy. And the same thing if you want to sell, all you need to just click on the available, click on your available balance, or if you don't want to click on it, you can just highlight it, or you can just even type it manually here. In fact, you are supposed to type it manually, then you, of course, once you type it at the particular price you want to sell it for, any of this price, of course, you know that the prices are decreasing. So you always want to click on the first one, and if you click on the first one, it's not going to, you can, for you to just do it fast, you can just click on the second one, then you hit sell. So that is basically how to buy and sell on Binance. Everything is pretty very easy. So if you like this video, you can just give me a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.